Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to increase your followers on Behance and grow your creative audience. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first strategy you'll want to implement is engaging with other creators by following them. This helps you get noticed within the Behance community and encourages others to check out your profile in return. Start by searching for projects in your niche or simply browse through featured work that catches your eye. Once you find a project or creator you're interested in, click on it to open their profile or project page. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a follow button. Go ahead and click it to start following that creator. This simple action not only supports other artists, but also puts your profile on their radar, increasing the chances they'll visit your page and potentially follow you back. It's a great way to build genuine connections within the creative community. Now, the second and more powerful method to gain followers is by actively promoting your own work. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to access your profile options. Once you're viewing your projects, locate the project you want to share and look for the arrow down icon next to it. Click this arrow and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Share. This opens up all your sharing options for that specific project. On the right side of the sharing panel, you'll notice a Share button. Click on it to reveal the various platforms where you can distribute your work. Here's where the magic happens for expanding your reach. You can share your Behance project directly to popular social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, or X, formerly known as Twitter. By posting your work on these platforms, you're exposing it to audiences beyond Behance, which means more eyes on your creativity and more potential followers discovering your profile. But that's not all. If you prefer a more targeted approach, you also have the option to copy the direct link to your project or even copy the embed code. These options are incredibly useful when you want to share your work through email, messaging apps, or embed it directly into your personal website or blog. By sending these links to friends, colleagues, or potential clients, you're creating more pathways for people to discover your Behance profile and hit that follow button. And there you have it. By consistently following other creators and strategically sharing your projects across multiple platforms, you'll steadily build your Behance following and expand your creative network. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.